So these are the Quest 560 to Thermador 506. And so this is the upgraded model. So this is the old one. And if you see, this is rated at 277 volts at 3 amps. Normally closed. Oh, they do have a normally open at 40. So what's this one here? This is the new one. And the specs on this one are 40 amp. No, that's 240. I can't really see.
30 amp at 277.
30 amps at 270 and 27 normally closed. There's COS right there. 25 amp, 25, 25, and 27 over there. And I can't quite make it out. Yeah, 25, 25, 27. This is the old guy. 3 amps, so we're closed, 240. Only the one spec there is a little less, but the others here are more. Well, we'll see. This is supposed to be better than the old one. We'll find out. And this is rated for 500 volts. The old one was 440 volts. So we'll see if these last longer and go from there.